Good morning, students. I am from Lokmanya Tilak School. Uh, in Science, chapter number 5, Rocks and Minerals. Before we start this chapter, I want to ask some question. Uh, have you done exercise today? Exercise किया था? Do exercise daily, okay? Breathe in, take a pause, and breathe out. Okay? Breath in and breath out. And do pray daily, Gayatri mantra, and take healthy food in breakfast. Now, rocks and minerals. We have started this chapter. Rocks, igneous rock. Uh, this is divided in pumic rock, basalt. Now start sedimentary rock. Rocks break down into smaller pieces due to the effect of sun, wind, rain, and flowing water. Okay, these small pieces of rocks are carried by flowing water and wind into the rivers and sea. How this rock is formed? रॉक्स ब्रेक डाउन इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस स्मॉलर पीसेस जो बड़ी बड़ी रॉक्स होती हैं वो स्मॉलर पीसेस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं ड्यू टू इफेक्ट ऑफ सन के इफेक्ट से विंड से रेन से एंड फ्लोइंग वाटर these small pieces of rocks carried by flowing water and wind into rivers and sea. The rock pieces sink to the bottom of the sea. The rock pieces sink कहाँ होते हैं? The bottom of the sea and settle down in the layer called is sedimentation, sediments. ठीक है? These rock pieces sink to the bottom of the sea and settle down in the layers called sediments. As more and more sediments are found, lower layer get pressed. Okay, over millions of the year, lower layer harden into rocks and called sedimentary rocks. Okay, कैसे sedimentary rocks formed हुई? You know very well ना. The rock pieces sink to the bottom of the sea. जितने जो rocks pieces थे वो bottom of the sea में settle होते गए. The layer called sediments. As more and more sediments are found, the lower layer get pressed. Okay, over millions of years, after very time, the lower layer harden into rocks. जो lower layer थी वो rocks में convert हो गई and called sedimentary rocks. See the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, animal, fossil, and sedimentary rocks. Let's see. Some dead plants and animals get trapped in the layers of sedimentary rocks. Okay, sometimes dead plants, जितने dead plants and animal get trapped, फंस जाते हैं किसमें? Layers में sedimentary rocks की. The hard parts like teeth and bones of the skeleton remains embedded inside the rock. जो bones थी, उनकी teeth थे and skeleton थे, these all are the hard parts of the body, remain embedded inside the rock. इसके rocks में होते हैं. They are also leave their impression in the rocks. They also leave their impression, अपनी छाप छोड़ जाते हैं. These remain और impression are called fossil. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Fossil. Scientists learn about plants and animals that lived on millions of years ago on the earth through fossils. साइंटिस्ट जो हैं किस इसी के थ्रू फॉसिल्स के थ्रू ही जो मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर पहले प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स थे, they studied about them. Example of sedimentary rocks are given below. Number 1, shell, layer of clay and tiny sand particles from a rock called shell. क्या है? Layers of clay and tiny sands particles from rocks called shell. On immersing in water, shell swells like wet mud. Wet mud की तरह ये swell करते हैं, फूल जाते हैं. It is used for making bricks and tiles. इससे क्या क्या बन जाता है? Bricks and tiles. Sandstone, the layer of sand grain from sandstone. जो layer of sand होती है वो grain होती है किसमें? Sandstorm में. It mostly contain the mineral quartz. इससे क्या होता है? Mineral quartz इसमें रहता है, contain रहता है. It mostly gets the mineral quartz. Sandstone comes in the variety of colors. Sandstone कई कलर में रहता है, like red, pink, brown or yellow. It is commonly used as a building stone. It is used for building stones. The wall of the building of Red Fort in New Delhi built with red sandstone. Red sandstone से क्या बना हुआ है? Red Fort in Delhi. Have you seen it, Ayushi? Red Fort in Delhi? Okay, next time if there will be chance to go there, see the walls of Red Fort made from sandstone. Okay. Conglomerate, layer of pebbles and gravels form conglomerate. It is mostly grey and orange in color and used for decorative purpose. ये orange and grey color के होते हैं, गोल गोल से पत्थर टाइप के होते हैं. Conglomerate, this is used only for decoration. Limestone, the hard shell of many sea animals settle on the seabed. These shells contain klast and get deposit in layer from limestone. How limestone is formed? The hard shell of many sea animals. जो सी एनिमल्स के हार्ड शेल होते हैं उससे ही सेटल होके सीबेड पे बनता है. These shells contain clast and get deposit in layer from limestone. Chalk is type of limestone. जो chalk होती है it is a type of limestone. Limestone is used as a building material and for making cement and glass. Limestone is used for making building material and like a glass. Okay children, read this page. We will continue this chapter next time and I will ask variety of stones. From next video we will start we will continue this chapter. Okay, good day.